So I just want to make everyone aware of that. My uncle did work on the TR3B. Those are his two security corridor badges that he left me before his death. He's been dead about 4 years now, but he did work on the TR3B for 15 years, and originally he thought he was working on a re-entry vehicle of some sort. I know he was working with something called shielding, and I know that it was so heavily compartmentalized that it took him 13 years or so before he ever actually got a glimpse of what he was working on. And I know when they worked on something, they used what he said was like a tarmac, what you would load an airplane with. So I guess when he originally found out what it was, he was having to run something under the something wouldn't reach, a cable wouldn't reach, and they had to pull the actual tarmac, like something you load an airplane with. They had to pull it back, and he was able to get a look of the actual vehicle itself. But from what he told me and what I know now, because I have pictures of it, and I will release the pictures when I hit 10,000 subscribers. But this is a real video of it that someone else captured, and it is a triangle on top of a triangle, and they had to redact the front triangle, actually, which would be somewhat the cockpit or whatever. They had to redact it on top of the other triangle for him to be able to run this cable underneath, because it was, I guess he couldn't get it to fit, or couldn't connect or whatever. But yeah, I guess he worked in something called the CAR, or the CART program, and he worked in Moffett Field in somewhere down in LA. I think he said it was like, I can't remember exactly, but and he worked, I believe, in Tonopah. But yeah, go ahead and check it out, and I have some actual photos that I'm gonna release as soon as I hit 10,000 subscribers. So yeah, it's real. All right, subscribe.